What up, y'all? We got another reaction. This is a solo wild card. There's a lot of people who's been dropping their wild cards, and I haven't been able to get to them. Let me know the ones I haven't got to, and if you can, feel free to post a link, and I can be able to get to those and react to it. But we got ZVD. He submitted his wild card, and outside the noise, I believe that's what it's called. So let's get straight to it.
Yo, this is ZVD from the USA. This is my solo wild card for the Grand Beatbox Battle 2025 World League.
Let's go.
And I freed myself from outside noise.
Ooh.
And I freed myself from outside noise.
Okay.
Outside noise.
Switch up. Yo, he sound wicked.
And I freed myself from outside noise. And I freed myself from all this outside noise.
I'm loving the vocal too. Like, you know, it's kind of like a little R&B vibe, a little bit, you know, with the vocals he got. Sounds really good. I'm excited to see what he does as far as in the performance, what he got in his belt, under his belt. So it's pretty dope. Wow. All right. Yo, we have a lot to uncover. You got the showcase as well for the GBB, and yeah, it's a lot we got going that they dropped it, man. I didn't expect it at the time, but they came out of nowhere. It's like, here you go, here's one for you, and here's one for you, and I'm like, hold on. Catch them all. So hey, man, I'm excited to see what everybody does in these beatbox battles, and we got some OGs coming back too, so it's gonna be crazy. Anyway, see y'all in the next one. Peace.